Get out.
Read the back of the book.
I don't want to.
Read it.
It takes nothing short of a miracle to catapult Lieutenant Torolf Magnusson and his team of Navy SEALs back in time to the 11th century Norselands. First on the agenda, destroy the evil villain who terrorized his family and nation. But when the sexy SEALs find they've landed, I just imagine like seals, like the actual animal, like staring at each other.
Are you videotaping?
They've landed in the middle of a sanctuary.
I was hoping he'd be reading more of the quotes.
But when the sexy seals find they've landed in the middle of a sanctuary filled with women, well, hoo-yah! Their plans are put on hold, much to the distress of Hilda, the head of the sanctuary. At first, resistant to Torolf's pursuits, she soon succumbs to his passionate advances. Suddenly, the term Special Forces takes on a whole new meaning. But with victory in sight for Torolf, Hilda must face the fact that their love may not survive the test of time.
Dun dun dun!
I'm gonna go blow my own head off.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
Ooh, $7.99.
No, I didn't pay that much for it.
It's definitely not worth that much.